Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. Today's recipe is Paaya cream soup. This was the soup recipe was much requested in my first live session Q&A. And I thought let me give you the most delicious and creamiest soup and let's start it with the Paaya. There are a lot of simple recipes, but then this is the most delicious and the simple one. And for those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. So let's quickly have a look at the ingredients, what we need for the first step to boil the mutton. Here I have taken 6 feet, that is 6 pieces of paaya cut into 1 into 4. I love it when it is small pieces. It easily cooks. And I have washed it with turmeric powder and vinegar. 1 tablespoon of freshly powdered pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of, you can take ginger garlic paste either, but I have taken ginger garlic and green chilli. I've put it in the chopper and I've taken the same 1 tablespoon. And here salt is according to your taste, but just take care as we also add the mutton or chicken stock which has salt. I've taken chicken stock which I usually have at home, so you can even take mutton, 1 cube. And here I've taken 2 pieces of cinnamon, 2 of cloves and a very small piece of cinnamon. Sorry, first one was the cardamom. And if you're making 12 pieces of paaya, you can just make it 3, not 4. And here in a pressure cooker, I've taken the paaya pieces, the feet pieces, and then added all the ingredients under the boiling one, like the whole spices, pepper powder and ginger garlic paste, or the chopped one. Here I've closed the pressure cooker and this will cook for around 30 minutes depending on the size of your paaya. The bigger one might take more time, and also your cooker, like maybe some cooks very fast. And then here you can see I've opened the pressure cooker and see how soft this is. Like this is the the way you need the paaya, and I've taken all the whole spices from it. Here I'm coming to the next ingredients, that is 1 large onion or 1/4 cup, and 1 small capsicum or a half cup chopped, and spring onions 4 pieces. Here I've taken just the cornflour slurry, which is 2.5 tablespoon of cornflour powder, cornflour, and with dissolved in 3/4 cup of water. This is 1 packet of fresh cream. This is around 120 grams, I guess. Here this is 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic and green chilli mixture which I have chopped. You can I'll be giving the measurement in the description box below. And here this is 1 tablespoon of 1 or 1.5 tablespoon of pepper powder as per your taste, and coriander leaves 2 tablespoon. Ghee 3 tablespoon. And here in a wok I've taken ghee. Once it was hot, I added the chopped onions. Onions were very finely chopped. You can even use the chopper. Then I added in 1 to 2 minutes I added the ginger garlic and green chili mixture, and again in 2 to 3 minutes, which once the onion were translucent, I added the capsicum and fried them well. Once you can see the onions are light golden brown in color, I added the pepper powder and the spring onions. Here I am adding the cooked paaya, the soup, to this. And then once it was boiled, I just added the cornflour slurry, and then here adding the cream. Do not over boil it after adding the cream. Before adding the cream, you can even blend the soup. Just take the paaya pieces and keep it aside, and blend the soup, and then add the paaya pieces, then the cream, and serve it like that, because it gives the very smooth and silky texture, and kids find it more easier to drink without any chunks of onions or garlic in that. Here is your simple yet delicious paaya cream soup ready. I'm sure you all will love this, and that becomes a must try recipe. Coming to my extra points, just want to say that you can adjust the consistency of the soup according to your choice by adding more or less water as your requirement. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures what you have tried from my channel. I would love to add it on my feed. And also do not forget to like my Facebook page, Salwa's Delicious Kitchen there. I hope you all have subscribed to my channel till now. If not, please do. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.